If you are constantly exhausted, or you feel cold when everyone else is comfortable. You might think it's just a normal part of a busy life, but it could be a silent sign your body is crying out for help. Welcome to Levitas. Iron deficiency is the single most common nutritional deficiency on the planet, yet it so often goes unnoticed. We're going to break down the 9 major signs you cannot ignore. And as we go, think about this: have you ever found yourself craving something truly bizarre, like ice or dirt? Let me know in the comments below, and please like this video, it really helps the channel with the algorithm. Sign number 1. Let's start with that bizarre craving. It has a name. Pica. Pica is a compulsive drive to eat things that aren't food and have no nutritional value. The most common one we see with iron deficiency is pagophagia, the craving to chew ice. But it can also be dirt, clay, paint chips, or uncooked starch. The why is still a bit of a medical mystery, but the connection is undeniable. In fact, a 2016 review in the Journal of Medical Case Reports highlighted multiple cases where pica was the primary symptom of severe iron deficiency, and thankfully, it almost always resolves completely once iron levels are restored. It's your body sending a very strange, very loud signal. Sign number 2. This is one a doctor will often look for. We call it pallor, or pale skin. Here's the science: the protein hemoglobin, which is built from iron, is what gives your blood its rich red color. That red blood, circulating just under your skin, gives you a warm, rosy complexion. When your iron is low, you can't make enough hemoglobin. Your blood is literally less red. This is most obvious in areas with lots of surface blood vessels, like your gums, inside your lips, your nail beds, and especially your lower eyelid. If you pull it down and it looks pale pink or yellowish instead of a healthy red, that's a classic sign. A 2010 study in the British Medical Journal confirmed that this kind of clinical pallor is a key and reliable indicator that doctors use to screen for anemia. Sign number 3. Your brain is your body's number 1 priority. It must get oxygen. But when iron is low, your oxygen carrying capacity is impaired. In an attempt to get more oxygen to the brain, your body can sometimes cause the blood vessels in your head to widen or swell. This creates pressure, which you feel as a persistent, throbbing headache. It's often accompanied by dizziness or lightheadedness, especially when you stand up too quickly. This isn't just a random symptom. A 2019 study in the journal Headache found a significant link between iron deficiency, anemia, and migraines, especially in women. Sign number 4. Do you ever feel like you just can't get a deep enough breath? Like you walk up a single flight of stairs and you're winded? This is a hallmark of iron deficiency. It's not that your lungs aren't working, they're pulling in air just fine. The problem is transport. Think of hemoglobin as the delivery truck for oxygen. You can have all the oxygen you want at the loading dock, your lungs, but if you don't have enough trucks to deliver it to your muscles and organs, your body starves for air. You feel this as dyspnea, or shortness of breath. A 2017 study in PLOS One even noted that this symptom can pop up in patients with even mild anemia. Sign number 5. If you're short on oxygen trucks, the body's only other option is to make the few trucks you do have drive a lot faster. This is your heart working overtime. To compensate for the low oxygen blood, your heart has to pump harder and faster to circulate that blood more quickly, trying to meet your body's needs. This can feel like a racing heart, a fluttering, a pounding, or a skipped beat. It's a sign of strain. This isn't something to ignore. A 2015 review in Acta Hematologica discussed how chronic, severe anemia can put significant long-term strain on the heart. Sign number 6. Are you the person who is always cold? Always wearing a sweater, always needing fuzzy socks? This is your body being incredibly smart. When oxygen-rich blood is a scarce resource, your body performs triage. It has to protect your vital, core organs, your heart, your brain, your kidneys. To do this, it shunts blood away from the less essential areas, like your skin and your extremities, your hands and your feet. Less warm blood flow means you feel a perpetual chill in your fingers and toes. As a 2018 review in the journal Temperature confirms, your iron status is absolutely critical for proper thermoregulation, or controlling your body's temperature. Sign number 7. Just like your hands and feet, your body considers your hair follicles to be non-essential. When the body is in a low oxygen, low iron state, it will not waste precious resources on building hair. It diverts those resources to survival. This pushes more of your hair follicles, up to 70% of them, from the growing phase into the resting or shedding phase. The key link here is often ferritin, your body's iron storage protein. A 2013 study in the Journal of Korean Medical Science found a clear link between low ferritin levels and female pattern hair loss, even in women who weren't technically anemic yet. Sign number 8. Do you feel like you catch every single cold that goes around? Does it take you forever to get over a simple bug? You might be blaming your coworkers, but it could be your iron levels. Iron is an essential nutrient for your immune system. Your white blood cells, specifically lymphocytes, are your body's first line of defense. They need iron to grow, multiply, and mature so they can effectively fight off bacteria and viruses. Low iron means an impaired immune response. A 2014 review in the journal Nutrients details this complex relationship, confirming that proper iron status is essential for robust immunity. Sign number 9. Finally, look at your hands. This is a late-stage, classic sign. First, your nails will become very soft, thin, and brittle. They'll chip and break easily. But in severe, chronic iron deficiency, you can develop a condition called koilonychia, or spoon nails. The nail actually loses its convex curve and becomes flat or even curves inward, like the bowl of a spoon. This is a clear-cut clinical sign that your body has been struggling with low iron for a very long time. It's well documented in medical literature, like a 2012 BMJ case report, as a key diagnostic clue. So, you've heard the list. You're connecting the dots. You're feeling exhausted, cold, and your hair is thinning. First, please hear this. This is not a personal failure. It is not a weakness. It is one of the most common, and most treatable, biological issues on the planet. These signs are just your body's check engine light. Now, here is your action plan. Please do not just run out and buy the strongest iron supplement you can find. Iron is a pro-oxidant, and too much can be toxic and cause its own set of problems. Here is the smart, sustainable approach. Call your doctor. Schedule an appointment and tell them your symptoms. Ask for a blood test. And be specific. You want a full iron panel. This must include ferritin, which measures your body's storage of iron, not just the iron floating in your blood. Supplement only if directed. Your doctor will tell you the right type and dosage of iron if you need it. In the meantime, focus on food. Include heme iron, which is highly absorbable, from things like red meat, poultry, and fish. And include non-heme iron from plants like lentils, spinach, and organic tofu. And here's the pro tip. Always pair your plant-based iron with vitamin C. A 20-ounce steak has a lot of iron, but so does a cup of lentils if you eat it with bell peppers, or a side of broccoli, or a tomato sauce. The vitamin C can boost absorption by up to 6 times. Watch this video suggestion, it was especially picked for you. Also share, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps a ton with the algorithm. Remain tuned for future videos to empower your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.